have to clarify your hair, like you should be doing a clarifier. I mean, I guess technically that's true, and we'll switch it like as an example for our bodies. If I'm eating McDonald's all the time, I should probably do a juice cleanse or something, right? But if I'm eating really, really healthy all the time, what do I need to do a juice cleanse for?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be wiping out my stomach's natural bacteria. I'm having to reset everything. It's not gonna be good, and it's an unnecessary tax. The same logic goes into clarifying shampoos.
Yeah.
Why do you need one in the first place? That helps get people off of a bunch of crappy products just with that logic alone.
Yeah.
And what everybody loves is, that's gonna save you money too. It's one less thing in your freaking shower.
Yeah.
What don't you like about your hair? What can we fix for you? What do you think the number one word is?
Frizz.
Frizz. It's the 4-letter F word. The other one. They don't necessarily want to cure you of that because then you wouldn't need them, right? The problem with Shea Moisture in particular, and also Cantu, is very similar. Things that I would never use in curly hair in general, but they're curly hairlines. They're marketing directly at you.
Yeah.
When large companies with a lot of money are going to dump money into a project, they do research first, and they get a bunch of girls with curly hair, and they go, hey, what problem can we solve for you?
Frizz.
Frizz. They don't necessarily want to cure you of that because then you wouldn't need them, right? Frizz. Like, okay, cool, let's cover it up for them.
That's the problem.
So they just flood all their stuff, all their curly lines with a bunch of heavy oil. So that is gonna solve the problem visually. You see the frizz that we can create intentionally right now.
Right.
I could throw some oil on my hand right now and we can make that visually vanish. But you already know what it's gonna do. Your hair's gonna suck up all that oil, making it basically waterproof. So that's drying it out and also weighing it down.
Yeah.
So over time, the only time your hair is ever going to look halfway decent is if you have your hair loaded with a bunch of BS, and eventually it won't even look good with that.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why I love Intersense so much, they're not even a curly hairline. They're just, hey, here's a really, really clean, really well formulated product line. Also, by the way, since we're talking about them, they have a level of integrity with what's in the bottle as far as the density of it. Most lines have, I want to say, probably around 60% water in that bottle.
Yeah.
You can shake it around, you can feel it. The Intersense bottles are so thick, you have to use them with plenty of water while you're in the shower, and that makes it go a lot longer, and they know that, so you're not having to blow through so much product all the time.